Alright folks, we're going to have a whole lot of fun today. So welcome back to the Hot Lead Farm. Now today, as you can see, I'm wearing the flannel with the pocket so I can film, but we're not hunting today. Today is a little different. And again, hunting season, most of my videos are going to be hunting. I don't know if you can tell or not, my car's a little filthy, but there's a bunch of cars outside, right? Well, we're at the gun show. We're going to go inside here and look at what all they got to offer, because a lot of times you can find finds at gun shows that you won't find at regular pawn stores, but they know what it's worth and they're going to charge you a whole lot more probably than what it's worth. All these guns here at every gun show I've ever seen, the price is marked up by a good $100 or $200, sometimes even $500, depending on the gun. Like an old M1 Grand, some places you can get them for about $1,500, $1,600. At this place here, you're probably looking at $2,100. But like one of the old pump 22 rifles, yeah, a lot of places will sell them for about $1,000. Here, probably gonna be about $1,200, $1,300. But we're gonna go in here and look, because gun shows have the antiques that you can't find in a regular store. Now, I've seen a couple stores that have them, but I'm going to cut the camera off. We're going to head on inside, and the ends will get to look at what we look at. All right, folks, we got old buddy with us. We're going in, and yeah, what do you think you're going to be looking for today, Tristan?
Everything.
He's going to be, yeah,
Knives, swords, everything.
Me?
Ninja stars.
I'm looking for what you can't find at a regular store or pawn store, because let's be honest here, this is one of the places you're going to find it. So I'm going to cut this off. And sorry folks for the intro earlier. I know it wasn't the best, but hey, again, we're trying our best to work our way in here. The line is still coming out the door. There's probably 50 people to 75 in that line. Anyway, I'll cut this back on when we get inside.
System. This is a one finger release. You push forward towards the face of the buckle. If you're right-handed, I always say use your left index finger, push away and pull with your right hand. Makes it super easy. Kydex ratchet system, 32 points and adjust every 1/8 of an inch.
Okay.
That's the tightest in the market. They're all cut at 47 inches. You drop that little window, cut it to fit you. When you're happy with the fit, we give you 2 set screws in the box. You don't have to burn it.
Okay.
Guaranteed for 12 months. Keep your receipt. Anything breaks, we'll send you a new one.
Well, not only do I like the gray, you like this color. I like this one here, this brown.
That's also a new color. It's called Coyote.
He's a man with good fashion taste, I can tell. I
Well,
don't know if that's...
They're 1 for 35, 2 for 60, 3 for 85, 4 for 110. The more you get, the cheaper they get.
If you guys buy 4 together, that's only 26 bucks, 28 bucks a bell. Try to find one that good at Walmart. You can't do it.
We got some more walking to do. We just got here, but I might stop by.
yeah, we're probably going to stop by on the way.
10 hours a day for 9 days.
But y'all, you should go.
Mine got
We
It's
destroyed
incredible.
out in Afghanistan.
Well, time to replace it then.
most of my medical kits, I fill them up with gauze, because don't get me wrong,
Quick Claw.
Yeah,
it's going
you need it.
to be, yeah.
That stuff.
Well, that's what we sold out of.
Well,
We
that
took,
and-
I can't even tell you how much we
Have
took
you
to
used any other
Pennsylvania.
portion?
That and the clotting agents, I always filled up with both.
The only bad part about Quick Claw is like after you get them like extracted out of the area, those medics
they
have
gotta
to
pull
go
it
in
out.
and they gotta cut it out.
Well, if it's the gauze, yeah, we don't...
Good. Oh, here, look here. That's Browning. There's some 1911s. Look at. I know you want the original authentic Colt, but
Nobody will stop me from buying it.
Colt. That's the Gerson like mine, just about it. what time it is. It's 10. 11, 12, 1. We got 2 3/4 hours.
Drove and wish you had it.
Yeah. We're both sort of running by these. I'm more interested in this down here. Is that Canic? No.
I'll have to
It's
look on the
CZ.
box and see.
I'm gonna be honest, if I'm gonna get one of these, I'm gonna get the black handle. The only other one I like is the blue or the red. But look at that press tag though. The Berettas? Yeah. Well, you're used to carrying them. I do like them though. That's the only one that isn't. $6.99 and it's still out there. Dude, I need to find another magazine for the Gerson. It only came with one mag.
You'd have to do a brace on this one technically. It's shorter than 16 inches.
There are a lot of people here today. I mean a lot.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, you can't afford that. Neither one of us can afford that.
Dude, I used to love running around with that gun.
Oh, I know. The saw. Yeah. But that gun's $10,000. Neither one of us. Ooh, here, look here. This is the new M1A. This takes the magazine. I've been looking at getting one of those instead of the old M1. Because you want that boot, yeah. Mind if I look at this? Might fit the boot.
I need to get me another cable. The one that I had when I was in Afghanistan.
Yeah. Now that leather sort of deteriorates pretty quick on them.
Excuse me.
What
Sorry.
caliber you got?
I'm sorry.
What caliber?
22.
Just plain 22?
Yeah, 22 long rifle.
I was hoping for a mag. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
Yep.
They're all pretty.
Take a right turn.
Oh, those are?
Those are M14 and that's Mauser, 98K.
Okay, I'm looking for 0303.
I don't have none of those.
Yeah. Yeah.
A
bar.
Back from it.
I seen you heading for it, but I wanted to see that one real quick.
That's perfectly legal.
Yeah.
If you're going
That's
to do
more
get
not
your
fun.
license,
Man. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Ruger, M14 style, fold out. That's probably an actual M1 carbine, yeah. Doing all right? With the new grip? Yeah. Now you can get your boy now. Alright. Hey Tristan, I'm gonna step on down. Yeah, this is what we've been looking to get. Now that right there, I've heard is very hard to do. That spinning one. I watched Jerry Mitchell and one of the Gould brothers the other day try to spin one of these. Dude, it takes forever to do it. I don't know. He's probably charging for just the metal. I think it's
They're only $10. I guess I forgot to put a sign on them.
it's Damascus steel. Hey, look behind you. I think grenades.
Oh, something else not mighty good.
You just walk out.
Excuse us.
Sorry.
Cost 3,500. Again, right now I'm just looking for the biggest deals I can find too, because again, I'm the big deal guy. You're the more quality over price guy, whereas that helps each other out when we meet in the middle and go, maybe not. So there's a Charles Daly.
I've been looking to get one of these too. One of the Colts. The goal is to collect a duty pistol from every era of the Marine Corps. Right now I've got 3.
Yeah.
You collect coats too?
Huh?
You collect coats?
Coats?
Coats.
Oh, Colts? Yeah, I've been looking for a 1911 Colt and a Colt revolver.
I got the Python.
Huh?
I got coat.
Those are nice.
Oh, she will as well.
How are y'all today?
Doing all right.
Good.
The 357's in the back. He's got a box of that. Yeah. I thought you might end up gravitating to that.
Dude, the FPC I've been like really curious about.
Yeah, that's Smith & Wesson. Yeah.
It's either that or a Kel-Tec, but I.
Yeah, I figured we'd start here and work our way around, but should we follow the flow?
I'd be cool with the pre-war 1911. Like, it doesn't have to be one that was.
Should we follow the flow everybody else is taking on this, or should we go just straight down?
What do you want to do?
I don't mind going against the flow. Ooh. We can, and make it like a zigzag. Yeah, that'd be fun. Citadel, 45 Colt. And then, ooh, here. Oh, 357 Magnum. I've already seen too many reviews of that Homesteader to know to stay away from it. Mausers. I mean, not Mausers, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're looking at the... They don't say. This one's a Ruger Mini. He's got the description on it.
I get a lot of looks like that little model right there, that semi-auto, they discontinued that in 2019. They have it in
Hey, look here. Savage 308. Lever action.
I had them in Magnum. Anything you want to pick up, gentlemen, you're welcome to. No problem.
What's the price on this?
What I'd like to do on this guy, let me see where here it is right here, Springfield Army. All right, so out the door, what I'd like to do instead of 1950, I'd just like to do 1800 out the door. The reason it looks so nice is the stock that was originally with this Springfield was not as nice as the rifle. I got an expert grade stock from the civilian marksmanship that just dropped it in there. Other than that, you've got all Springfield Army parts, receiver, barrel, trigger group. Yeah.
Thank you for letting us
You're
look.
welcome. Hey, that's what we're here for. Thank you guys for the interest. That's quite a restoration.
We didn't look at, so do you want to go down one side, then go down the other, and then come over here and go down one side and go down the other? I think that probably worked best. Yeah. Hey, this is what Uncle Steven's got. $450 for these. They're 22s. Ooh, here. Right here. Look here. Kristen. That's a good price on that. A really good price.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He told me they couldn't do that no more.
They changed that before they changed it.
Look how
Yeah.
they didn't make that many calibers of it. This one would be the one
I
I'd
got a buddy
choose
of mine,
today.
Murphy. Yeah.
they used to good.
Yeah. Well, good to see you, baby.
That's one thing that this area has always had an abundance of is Model 94 3030 Winchester. My problem is Model 94 3030s are really expensive now because everybody knows how good they are and a lot of people didn't take care of them. So a lot of them are gone. Again, any antiques you see,
Where y'all be?
got a katana or two down there. Nice. You're like me, you're gonna be looking at that just a little bit. How much is for that broom handle? Mauser broom handle. Yeah. Nice looking gun. Here's your reloads, I think. Yep. I was warned to stay away from them. Yeah.
There's 7 whole boxes.
Yeah, they are. But again, I watched a guy that comes to these. He bought a box of 7, one of them big boxes. He said, "Don't." One thing you do need though is a sled. Ooh, this I can use. But no guarantee it'd fit mine. AK drum. Oh, AR 308 Pro Mag 12 gauge.
I don't know. I've never picked up a gun and not been able to figure out how
Yeah,
to
you
use
can
it.
figure it out how to use it. Yeah,
You know, like
but there's some guns that take a little practice with the hit. You know what you want to hit. But again, a month on any gun, and I think you could outshoot me. To be honest. Nah. They got mortars. You know, me and you could do some fun things with those.
you gave me one already.
I'm good. You know me and you could have a whole lot of fun with a mortar.
People see that stuff and then you ain't got it and they both put that stay away from it.
GI charges. Ooh. Yeah, folks, when you're watching this at home, yeah, we're perusing more than anything else. We know that everything here is marked up, and every now and then you find one or two here and there that isn't, and that's what we're looking for, is those one or two. We did find one of them, that $300 bullpup 12 gauge, but the only problem is with the bullpup 12 gauge, you never know what you're getting. You can get one of the brands that does it really good, or one of the brands that sucks at it.
It's going to be so cold by the time
Yeah.
we're done here.
Ooh, hang on. There's a pistol here that I want to look at. I think that is, I know it's 22. I think it's it's a Brown and Buckmark. Nope, it's a Challenger, but still.
Trying to find one of the stainless.
Yeah,
Hey, would
that's.
you want to trade any? I'm trying to.
Yeah, Brown and Buckmarks are. Ooh, me and you both like them blues. How much are they asking for them? We do need to find you a boot knife while we're here if we can. I know you can. Huh?
I can wait on it. I got to.
Yeah. How'd I know eventually one of us was going to pick one of them up? I want to feel this one. Oh, yeah. That's pretty good. Hey, before you walk away, Tristan. Neck knife.
Yeah.
Got a couple of them. I honestly think I might prefer that somewhat to the boot. Oh, excuse us. No trigger guard. It may be made that way, but I don't think it is.
I don't know. I've been looking to put it side by side in my collection.
Yeah. I'm like Dad on that. I prefer the over-under. What's this right here? Oh, Remington.
I bet those are for turkeys.
Well, they can be used for both. You take that. See how the chuck is on the end of it? Take that off. Sorry, folks.
Thinking about getting one of these.
Yeah. Oh, the salt and pepper or whatever. Yeah. Sorry, folks. I ain't got a lot of time left to video, so I'm gonna cut the camera. But you get the gist. We're walking around. We're looking. We may buy something. We may not. All right, everybody. Well, that was the gun show. It's a lot of walking. Too many people. And yeah, I get that people want to come out and look, see what the gun show's got. But there was probably about 600 people in that one building. There was a lot of nice guns there that me and Tristan looked at. Some of them we picked up and held and messed around with, but none we were buying because for the most part of the gun show, everything is increased in price. Seen a guy have a Beretta shotgun sitting there, semi-automatic. They're nice guns. He said he wanted $2,800 for it. He said that was $200 cheaper than any of the local stores. We've been to Prices Creek, folks. That same gun, exact same gun, was $1,600. Yeah, tell me it's $200 cheaper, my foot. Anyway, well, I hope maybe the gun show gave you some ideas. Maybe you got to see some stuff there that you liked. And yeah, it was a little bit funny that they had the guy with the anti-ATF shirt sitting right next to the ATF booth. Yeah, we're gun people, can you tell? Now, don't get me wrong. Everybody's got a job to do. I understand that. And I'm not going to get into the whole political deal. That's not my scene. I just thought it was funny that those two booths were side by side. And any other hunter or shooter is going to think the exact same thing. But anyway, Ian's commenting their comments and tell me what you thought. If you want more videos like this, we'll try our best to do a couple like this, but there's not always the opportunity to. So but we will try to do videos like this in the future. Y'all have fun. Keep throwing hot lead.